Kei tōku ingoa no Waimahu.
Ko TANEKAHA tōku ingoa no Waikaria hau.
E kuraina ana hau ki te kura kaupapa Māori o Kaikui.
Ahau hoki.
I like Kaikui because my family's from here. Oh, and you basically know everyone. That's one thing I like.
Yeah, quarantine was pretty, stuck at home with the family. A bit annoying sometimes, but other times it was pretty cool.
One thing I really noticed is how much you actually can spread germs without realising. Like, I had to go to a tangi in the holidays and all the aunties and uncles come kissing me and I would just think about oh, do they not think about COVID anymore? Now I just think about it and how it's killing a lot of people. It's kind of sad and but I didn't really change my diet or anything. I just took the vaccine.
Same, just the vaccine was really a hard decision to make just because family didn't really want to get the vaccine, but it helped. The vaccine helped with school stuff, travelling, attending to sports.
I'm happy that you can travel more and hang out with friends more.
Just get to come to school and learn with the teachers and they can help you individually. Moving on from this, I'm gonna be more aware of diseases and sicknesses and take more care of myself and health.
I don't know, I just feel like you just gotta move on with life and
don't let the COVID scare you.
This is how life is gonna be. Yeah, and we lived just out of Kaikui, so in lockdown I was just, because it was a long lockdown, it was very long. I was just riding my bike the whole time.
Lockdown for me, the first lockdown I actually went to the bushes with my family in Waikaria. Where I'm from there's no service, so we were just all by ourselves with our cousins, just always playing outside. It was real fun. And coming back into town was different too after lockdown because social media was everywhere and everyone could watch stuff and see what everyone was up to in the world. Yeah,
I've learned how difficult it is to learn from home.
Yeah, really learned how to work individually, with schoolwork. Used to be easily distracted by other things, and being at home it's harder to just work on yourself because you're always with your siblings and can't really do much.
It's nice to have it to talk to your mates and stuff.
Yeah, just to communicate with your friends and family.
But without it, I wouldn't really care. Moving forward?
Just be friendly, help one another in need. Just really look forward in life and what you want to do and really aim for it, set goals and accomplish them. Te tiro whakamuri kia Anga Whakamua to me means to know where you're from and to move on with life and what your decisions are. Make good decisions.
Te tiro whakamuri kia Anga Whakamua means reflect off the past so that you have a great life ahead of you.